If Outlook is showing error 0X800Ccc0F, that usually means the connection to your mail server is getting interrupted. In simple terms, Outlook is trying to send or receive email, but something on your device or network is blocking the connection. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Outlook error 0X800Ccc0F step by step, including checking your internet connection, disabling security software temporarily, and opening Outlook in safe mode to isolate the problem. If this tutorial helps you, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech fixes. Let's jump in. First, check your internet connection. Since this error is often caused by an unstable or interrupted connection, make sure your Wi-Fi is working properly and your device is online. Try opening a few websites in your browser to confirm that the connection is stable. If pages are loading slowly or not loading at all, restart your router or switch to a more reliable network before moving on. Next, close Outlook completely and restart your computer. A simple restart can clear temporary connection issues and refresh background services that Outlook depends on. After your computer turns back on, open Outlook again and see if the error is still there. If it is, the next step is to test whether Antivirus or Firewall software is interfering with the connection. Sometimes antivirus programs or firewalls block Outlook from reaching the mail server, especially if the security software is being overly strict. To test this, temporarily disable your antivirus or firewall protection, then open Outlook and try sending or receiving email again. If Outlook starts working after that, you found the cause. Just remember to turn your protection back on after testing, then add Outlook to the allowed apps or exceptions list so you stay protected without breaking email access. Now let's try opening Outlook in safe mode. This is one of the best ways to troubleshoot Outlook errors, because safe mode starts Outlook without add-ins or extensions that might be causing the issue. Press the Windows key and the R key on your keyboard to open the run box, then type Outlook/safe and press Enter. If Outlook opens successfully in safe mode, that tells you one of the add-ins may be causing the issue. If Outlook opens in safe mode, the next step is to disable add-ins one by one. Go to File, then Options, then Add-ins. At the bottom, choose COM add-ins and click Go. Uncheck the add-ins you don't need, then restart Outlook normally and test again. This helps you identify whether a plugin or extension is interrupting the connection. If the problem continues, check your email account settings. Make sure your incoming and outgoing server details are correct, especially the server names, ports, and encryption settings. A small typo in the server address or a mismatch in authentication settings can trigger connection errors like 0X800Ccc0F. If you're not sure what the correct settings should be, compare them with your email provider's official support page. You should also make sure Outlook is fully updated. Open Outlook, go to File, then Office Account, and look for update options. Installing the latest updates can fix bugs, improve compatibility, and resolve connection issues. If Windows updates are pending too, install those as well and restart your device. Another helpful step is to test Outlook using a different network if possible. For example, you can connect to a mobile hotspot temporarily and see whether the error goes away. If Outlook works on a different network, then the issue may be related to your router, ISP, or firewall rules on your current network. If none of those steps work, you may need to create a new Outlook profile. A damaged profile can sometimes cause repeated connection problems. Creating a fresh profile gives Outlook a clean setup and can solve stubborn errors like this one. You can add your email account again and test whether the new profile connects properly. To recap, the main fixes for Outlook error 0X800Ccc0F are checking your internet connection, disabling antivirus or firewall interference, starting Outlook with Outlook/safe, reviewing add-ins, checking account settings, and making sure everything is updated. In many cases, one of these steps will get Outlook connecting again normally. If this video helped you fix the issue, please give it a like and subscribe for more simple software tutorials and troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.